POCO X8 Pro nears launch after clearing multiple certifications. The POCO X8 Pro is slowly but surely moving closer to its official launch. Over the past few weeks, the device has been appearing in certification databases across different regions, a clear sign that POCO is preparing to introduce its next powerful X-series smartphone very soon. Most recently, the upcoming POCO phone has received approval from Indonesia's SDPPI authority, adding yet another certification to its growing list. Before this, the device had already cleared regulatory bodies in Europe through the EEC, in India via BIS, and also appeared in SGS certification records. When a smartphone begins stacking certifications like this, it usually means that the launch timeline is no longer far away. As expected, the latest SDPPI listing does not reveal detailed hardware specifications. This is common for regulatory approvals, which mainly confirm that a device meets regional communication and safety standards. However, the certification does provide a key clue: the model number. According to the listing, a POCO smartphone carrying the model number 251.1F-PC34G has now been approved for use in Indonesia. While POCO has not officially confirmed the device's marketing name, industry insiders and tipsters strongly believe that this model corresponds to the POCO X8 Pro. Strong links to Redmi Turbo 5. What makes the POCO X8 Pro especially interesting is its rumored connection to Xiaomi's Redmi lineup in China. Reports suggest that the POCO X8 Pro could be a rebranded version of the Redmi Turbo 5, a smartphone that is expected to launch in China later this month. This theory is not surprising if you look at POCO's past strategy. Last year, the POCO X7 Pro was essentially a global rebrand of the Redmi Turbo 4, which was originally launched for the Chinese market. POCO made some regional adjustments but kept the core hardware largely the same. Following that same pattern, the Redmi Turbo 5 is believed to carry the model number 251.1FRT34C, which closely matches the POCO model spotted in certifications. This strong similarity in model numbering further supports the idea that POCO is once again preparing a global version of a Redmi Turbo device under a new name. If this turns out to be true, the POCO X8 Pro could deliver flagship-level performance at a much more competitive price point, something POCO has become well known for. POCO X8 Pro expected display and performance. Based on current rumors and leaks, the POCO X8 Pro is expected to feature a 1.5K LTPS OLED display. This would offer a noticeable upgrade over standard Full HD Plus panels, delivering sharper visuals, better color accuracy, and improved brightness levels. An LTPS OLED screen also allows for better power efficiency, which pairs well with high refresh rates. While refresh rate details have not been confirmed yet, many expect POCO to include at least a 120Hz panel, making the phone ideal for gaming, scrolling, and multimedia consumption. Under the hood, the POCO X8 Pro is rumored to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8500 chipset. This processor is expected to sit in the upper mid-range segment, offering a strong balance between performance and efficiency. It should be more than capable of handling demanding games, multitasking, and everyday usage without breaking a sweat. If POCO follows its usual approach, we can also expect generous RAM and storage options, making the device appealing to power users who want speed without paying flagship prices. Big battery and ultra-fast charging. Battery life is another area where the POCO X8 Pro is expected to shine. According to leaks, the phone may pack a 6500 mAh battery, which is significantly larger than what many competitors offer in the same category. A battery of this size could easily deliver a full day of heavy usage or even stretch into 2 days for moderate users. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or using GPS navigation, battery anxiety should be minimal. Even more impressive is the rumored support for up to 100W fast charging. If this feature makes it to the final product, the POCO X8 Pro could recharge from near empty to full in a very short amount of time. This combination of a large battery and ultra-fast charging would make the device extremely convenient for users who are always on the move. Software: Android 16 with HyperOS 3. On the software side, the POCO X8 Pro is tipped to run Android 16 out of the box, layered with HyperOS 3. Xiaomi's HyperOS is designed to offer smoother animations, better system optimization, and deeper integration across Xiaomi and POCO devices. With Android 16, users can expect improved privacy controls, better background app management, and enhanced AI-powered features. HyperOS 3 is also rumored to bring refined visuals, faster performance tuning, and improved battery efficiency. If POCO delivers clean optimization, the combination of new software and powerful hardware could result in an excellent day-to-day user experience. POCO X8 lineup. No standard X8 this year. Interestingly, recent reports suggest that POCO might make a major change to its X-series lineup this year. According to industry sources, the company may skip launching a standard POCO X8 entirely. Instead, the lineup could focus on higher-end models, including the POCO X8 Pro and a possible POCO X8 Pro Max. The Pro Max variant is rumored to be a rebranded version of the Redmi Turbo 5 Pro, which itself is expected to launch in China in the near future. The Redmi Turbo 5 Pro is said to be powered by the Dimensity 9500E chipset, a significantly more powerful processor. If POCO brings its hardware to global markets, The POCO X8 Pro Max could become one of the most powerful phones in its price segment. This strategy would suggest that POCO is doubling down on performance-focused devices, targeting users who want near-flagship power without flagship pricing. What this means for POCO fans, with certifications piling up and rumors becoming more consistent, it's clear that POCO is preparing something big. The POCO X8 Pro appears to be shaping up as a performance-heavy smartphone with a high-quality display, a large battery, fast charging, and the latest software. If POCO prices the device aggressively, as it has done in the past, the X8 Pro could become one of the most competitive phones in the upper mid-range market. While official details are still under wraps, the launch now seems imminent. As soon as POCO makes an official announcement, we should get clarity on pricing, availability, and regional variants. Until then, all signs point to one thing: the POCO X8 Pro could be another value-packed powerhouse that continues POCO's reputation as a flagship killer brand.